Hello.
Hello, good day, sir. Let me introduce myself. My name is Surina Blanquet. I am a Filipino. I am 34 years old. I am married. I have one child. My husband works here in the Philippines as a project in charge. And I am the third in the family. I have 5 brothers and 2 sisters. I'm a college graduate in business management. And then for my work experience, I worked here as a music helper in the Philippines for 3 years. And my duties and responsibilities there are cleaning the house, washing and ironing the clothes, gardening, marketing, and especially taking care of the child. So there are 3 in the family. And then I can cook Filipino dishes, but I want to learn how to cook Chinese dishes, and I want to learn also how to speak basic Cantonese language. In taking care of the child, I prepare him to in going to school, so giving him food on time, and then sending him to school, giving him vitamins. In if he is sick, I will give him medicine. Of course, what the doctor's prescription, and then now, sir, I'm looking forward to work with you so soon. I can promise to be one of your most patient, caring, and responsible, trustworthy helper. Please choose me as your best helper. I can promise you to give my best to do my work and responsibilities and to finish my career's contract. Thank you. See you in Hong Kong. Thank you.
Thank you.